Hey, so we have got Nupur here. So I suppose I would like you to introduce you to Nupur, rank 11, the celebrity of the country. Last time we went, she was a different person. I'm the same person. I've always been the same. But she is rank 11 of the country. I suppose,
So, but I am the same Nupur for you.
the same number for me. That's really very humbling. And then we have spent some good time talking about issues when the country was like going through
Corona
pandemic. And tell me how it has been this journey for you. I mean, if you can talk to them, they would be very happy hearing from you than me. I'm available all around. How's the life has changed after the selection?
So 360 degree.
360 degree.
Yes, sir. So, I mean, it has changed. Yes, sir. I am feeling great. It is still like I am still going some dream.
Rank 11 in this
Then
country.
I never thought about it, sir.
Yeah.
All
Nobody.
I wanted was a selection, sir. Getting into IS, getting a rank 11 was, I think, all because of you, all of you, sir.
No, hard work. Plain simple hard work, and then that's all which it ultimately pays. Tell me, how has been your journey? Because I mean, it's not something which was offered to you on the platter, and it's not like something you woke up and you worked very hard towards it. How do you think that writing practice and tests that you have been taking that helps you?
Sir, I think GS Mains Test Series program or writing as many answers as one can plays a very important role. Sir, practice makes a man perfect.
Ladies also.
Ladies also.
You can't say
Lady
men
also,
perfect.
sir.
Yes, I object.
So I think continuous practice, making innovative changes in the presentation style, keeping adapt with the current affairs, inculcating those in the answers that one writes. So I think these were the things which helped me a lot. And so regarding the journey, so you are already aware that this was
I
my
think my audience is my students here.
this was my 6th attempt. In the first attempt, I reached till interview. In the second attempt, I couldn't clear prelims. In the third, I again reached till interview and again failed prelims. In the fifth attempt, I again reached till interview but couldn't make it to the final list. So it was my 6th and the last attempt. So I think I got lucky.
No, you're not lucky. If it was lucky, you would have got in the first attempt, and I would have given some credit to luck. It is just sticking around. It's
Yes.
just sticking around. And I was just talking to them about.
Sir, but I was able to stick around because of all of you who had tremendous belief in me. Sir, in one of the interviews I got 116, and then I came to you in the next interview which I was facing, and I said, sir, I got 116, and you said, but beta tujhe pata hai ki tera caliber zyada hai, and it was just a bad day. So sir, things like that motivated me to a large extent. Yes, it was hard work because I think there is no substitute for it,
No way.
but it was also combined with your wishes, the guidance of the teachers. So the family support was also there. The support, so everyone actually played their part in my success. So I think it doesn't belong to me. I owe my success to everyone out there.
This is being very humble, and I think that's one part of you I've always appreciated. This is where we are. I was also wondering if you can tell them that how to really structure the answer. I'm going to meet them very soon about answer writing skills. Could you just, since you're here and we have some time, so could you just tell them as to how to write good, more effective answer?
So focusing more both on introduction as well as conclusion, because sometimes because of the time stress, we somehow tend to neglect writing the conclusion in the answers. So I think make it as constructive as you can, couple it with SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, the ARC reports, and the vision of the government, be it Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, or using those jargons in the answers really helps. And then please stick to the demand of the question. If the question is asking what, sir, I remember that you made me write those 6 keywords, 5W1H. So if the question is demanding why, write only why. If the question is demanding what, write what. So I think structure your answer in such a way. Please don't please don't go for making a number of diagrams if that is not going if it is not adding value to the answers.
Yes. Not for the sake of it.
Yes, sir. And please practice as much as you can, because practice makes the men as well as the ladies perfect.
You know the word hupel?
No, sir.
There's an interesting word. You have got the human, and then we have got, like, we also call it as person,
Yes, sir.
human right, and then person,
As a huper.
history. So here you drop the sun, here you drop the
The
man,
man.
and you have a word left. It's called
Huper.
huper.
Yes.
I'm sorry. So a lot of people, they are these days are using the word as huper right. Instead of human right, they're using
Huper
huper
right.
right. So I
Yes, sir.
think not makes a huper perfect. So practice is the key.
Yes,
Practice
sir.
is important. Tell them something about.
And sir, it feels great to share the dice with you. It was
Oh,
one
come
of
on,
the
please.
dreams.
You are a
Yes, sir.
celebrity. You are a
Please,
celebrity.
sir, I am.
No.
I am what I am because of all of.
No, it's just too humble, and then now start enjoying this. And actually, around this time, you should be packing your suitcase to go to Lavasana. But
Yes,
then
sir.
that extra time that you have got, of course, you're not interacting much with the people, but still, but stay the same person. I'm so touched by this, and I think if you if you could tell something about essay writing also, and what special that goes into essay writing.
So firstly, the selection of the essay. Please select the essay which you think you will be able to do justice in those 1.5 hours, because we have to write 2 essays in the duration of 3 hours. And after selecting the same, do give time for making a blueprint of the essay, because that makes the essay more coherent in nature. Please don't use jargons in the essay. Make it as simple as you can so that it can be easily read by even a student of 8th class to a student of let's say graduation or a very learned person. Make sure that your essay has something in it कि छोटे से बच्चे से लेकर एक बड़े से बड़ा कोई भी उसमें से कुछ निकाल पा रहा है. Make it very constructive and way forward in nature. So I think sir essay
All
के
right.
लिए
And now the last part of it, interview. Interview is.
इंटरव्यू के लिए जो सर बोले प्लीज फॉलो द सेम.
So see, no, why? I'm asking you not to update them and them alone, but me also. Because of the simple reason, you are the latest version of success in the country. I mean, we have got the last year's batch and last to last year's batch, and the older version, the oldest version. We need to update ourselves. So keep asking every time I meet those toppers, and I am the fortunate to see the best minds of the country every single year, and so close. And then at that stage, I like to learn from you as to what works this year. It may be slightly different from what worked last year. So it is not only for them, I'm asking for myself also. So you have a student in me now who is trying to learn from you.
Sir, I had the same strategy for interview as I had last year. Last year I got 171 in essay.
That was a major change actually.
Yes, sir. From 116 to getting 171 was a major change. My major strategy was to be as adept with the current affairs as I could, formation of opinions, and tend to be very balanced in my answers, which was lacking in the earlier attempts. Sir, and I think interview preparation as such is very different from what we used to prepare while writing mains or while writing prelims, because herein we need to speak as much as we can. So the try to attend as many mock interviews as possible. Sir, even the online mocks that you came up with this year was a slight change in my own preparation, wherein I make my brother sit in front of me. So, sir, this helps formation of opinion in such a way that we are able to take out some one or two constructive things out of the gloomiest of the situations. Having a very positive mindset, interacting with a lot of people from diverse backgrounds. I think it helps a lot in essay. So I think since I was in a job this year, so it also led to some kind of personality development. So it helped me.
Definitely must have helped and helped immensely to
Yes.
get to this position. I suppose this is what we have got.